The human body is an amazing machine. It has many different systems that work together to keep you alive and healthy. The most important systems are the circulatory system, the respiratory system, and the digestive system. The circulatory system moves blood around your body. Your heart pumps the blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. An adult heart beats around 70 times per minute. The respiratory system controls breathing. When you breathe in, air enters your lungs. Your lungs take the oxygen from the air and send it to your blood. When you breathe out, your body releases carbon dioxide. The digestive system processes the food you eat. It starts in your mouth, where your teeth break the food into smaller pieces. Then the food travels to your stomach, where it is broken down further. Finally, the nutrients pass into your blood and give your body energy. Taking care of your body is essential. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and enough sleep help all these systems work properly.